As you can see by the thumbnail, I went to Sally Beauty, y'all. I want to come on here right quick and do this video for y'all. The hair is looking like it's looking. All this is literally is 2 braids. Well, 2 plaits, because you know I can't do braids. But this is 2 plaits undone. But let y'all see this. Now, my hair was in the plaits for probably like a week. So, and all I did was took the plaits out, kind of separated a little bit, and that was it. What did I do this with? I did this style with the Design Essentials Coconut and Manoi Curl Defining Jelly. This is like one of my favorite jelly stylers or whatever. I like gel-like stylers, so I really like this product. And like I said, I had my hair plaited just down the middle, 2 plaits, that's it, for probably like a week. And I just took it out like a couple hours ago. Of course, I didn't sleep with a silk bonnet and all that stuff every night, so that's where like the frizz and stuff is coming from. But I like the definition. I like how it came out. Of course, it's very bouncy and fluid. I like that. Y'all, but that ain't even why. That's not why I'm doing this video. Can y'all believe that we are in the last month of 2021? We getting ready to go into 2022. Yes, so happy December. I tried to stay away from the Sally Beauty 4 for 20. I thought it ended November the 30th, and I thought I was safe. And then I looked and I saw that they extended it. But some of these products I actually bought yesterday on November the 30th because it was the last day. Y'all, I couldn't take it. I had to get something. Well, of course, I didn't have to get it, but I got it. So let me show you what I got. From the 4 for 20, I got 2 brands. The first brand I got was the Texture ID Coils line, I believe. So I have the Detangling Shampoo. And y'all know I really like, oh, I'm sorry for that, the glare and the light and stuff. But y'all know I really like these tall, slim bottles. And Texture ID is known for these bottles. So this is the shampoo. This is 12 fluid ounces. I got the Coil Conditioning Mask. This is also 12 ounces. And y'all, I'm sorry. You know, I'm going to go in depth eventually when I get to the review for these. I have the Daily Moisturizing Cream. This is 8.45 fluid ounces. And then I have the Twist Butter. And this is 8 ounces. And y'all, I don't know. Let me see. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to get into the butters, but y'all, I like the gels. I like the gels. They have a couple of cream butters and non-gel stylers that, you know, is okay for me. But y'all know I rocks and rolls with the gels. Then the next brand I got was a brand that I heard about whenever it first came out. And y'all know, who knows how long ago that was, because y'all know I be way late. It is Earth Supplied. So for the 4 for 20, this is what I got from them. I got the sulfate-free shampoo, 13 ounces. I got the silicone-free rinse-out conditioner. This is also 13 ounces. And I got the Curl Popping Activator. This is 13 ounces. I believe this is the styler. And then I got the leave-in conditioner, and this is 12 ounces. These products have been reviewed like 100,000 times already. And y'all know, like I said, by the time I get to them, they're gonna be discontinued. But y'all, speaking of discontinued, so I left that Sally's because I actually was looking for like the other Earth Supplied products, but those is on clearance, y'all. Always check the clearance when you go to Sally Beauty. Check the clearance when you go anywhere, Target, Walmart, wherever you get your hair products from, especially if you're going in store. Online, sometimes they have a clearance or sales or deal sections, but especially in Sally Beauty, y'all, check the clearance because you never know what you might find. A oldie but goodie, long since discontinued. If y'all don't know about this product, you gotta check out Third Eye Angel Bree. She gonna tell you all about it. She loved this product. It been discontinued. I think it actually been replaced by a product from Texture ID. But then I think that product also got discontinued. This is the Silk Elements Pure Oils with Eucalyptus and Honey Soothing Deep Treatment Mask. Y'all, I have been looking for this since it got discontinued. So I have like one left, and I did not even want to use it. I didn't want to use it. Matter of fact, no, I think I might have two, and I didn't use either one of them. So I have never actually used this product, y'all. But the way Third Eye Angel talked about it, like, it's just like precious gold. So I didn't even use the ones I have, and I still want to get another one before I open the ones I have. Guess how much this was, y'all? Guess how much this was. Now, granted, it's discontinued. It is 12 fluid ounces. Guess how much this was? $1.50. Yes, y'all. 12-ounce product. Deep conditioner. And y'all know my favorite step of wash day is the deep conditioning step. $1.50. Y'all. Now I gotta mark this one and make sure I use this one last. I gotta use the other ones first and then use this one. Alright, so this is the second Sally Beauty where I got this, but they didn't have all of the Earth Supply products that I was looking for. So the lady at the second Sally Beauty was kind enough to call another Sally Beauty to find out if they had the products that I was looking for in stock and available. Because the second store that I was at, they had 2 of the 3 products, but they didn't have all 3 of them. So she called around, she found a store that had all 3 products. And I was like, okay, instead of me just buying 2 here and 1 there, let me just go ahead and buy all 3 of them from the third Sally's. So I rolls back in the Tesla and we going to Sally Beauty number 3. I got to Sally Beauty number 3. I asked the lady where the Earth Supply products was. She pointed me straight to it. And guess what I did not see? The red clearance stickers. Y'all, I was burnt up. I said, now I done drove all the way over here. Because this was way out the way. Now I'm past my house now. And I drove all the way out here for these 3 products that the lady at the second store said that y'all had. And I get here and I only see 2 of the 3. And then the 2 I see don't have a clearance sticker on it, y'all. And the lady said, can I help you? She was so nice. I said, well, I thought you could. I had somebody from, oh, y'all, look at this. But see, I got a little swoop though, y'all. Got a little swoop intermission. All right, so I told the lady, I said, hey, I just came from another store. The lady there actually called this store to find out if they had 3 Earth Supply products, like the specific products that I was looking for. And she told me that y'all had them. I drove all the way over here. I only see 2 of the 3 products and I don't see no clearance sticker. And she said, you know what? She said, don't worry about it. She said, I got you. They actually are on clearance. They just hadn't put the stickers on them yet. I was like, all right, now we rolling. And then she went and found the 3rd product. So these are the 3 additional Earth Supply products that I got on clearance. The first thing that I got is the Earth Supply Night Lay Me Down Strength and Length. I don't even know what this is, y'all, but I got it because it was part of the line. And you know me, I got to get everything in the line. The only thing I didn't get was some kind of oil spray mist or whatever. And y'all know I don't roll like that. I just make my own. So I got this product. This is 6 ounces and this was on clearance for $2.59. Then I got the Creamy Defining Jello Moisture and Repair. This is 12 ounces. Oh, it look like it's like 2 different things. And like I said, y'all, I know these products is way old to y'all. They've already been, you know, reviewed and all that 10,000 times. But this is 12 ounces and I got this for $3.09. I'm gonna put the receipts up there so y'all can see it. Then the last product I got, which was the original one that I really wanted when I first was looking at Earth Supply. Y'all, I listed all kind of products, but what I didn't list, a deep conditioner. So the last product that I got was the Strong Strands Protein Mask. And I believe this also was $3.09. Who is that? That's a tuxedo cat, y'all. His name is Mako, and I don't know if I told y'all this, but he knows how to open doors. Come here. Come here, Dada. Come here. Come here, Dada. Come see. Come see. Come here. Let me show you. Come here. Let me show you. Come here. Look. Oh, Lord, y'all. Look, he got... Say hi. Say hello, members of the Natural Haircare Jury. Hi. Y'all, this is Mako. And his sister Rize is around here somewhere, but I don't know where she at. But this one here, y'all, he jumps up and put his weight like on the doorknob and opens up doors. That's what he do. He's so smart, y'all. All right, go on. Bye-bye, Dada. Now he won't stay here. I nicknamed him Dada and I nicknamed his sister Mama. But both of them is fixed, so we ain't finna be no Dadas and the Mamas. Just by nickname only. Alright, so let me get back to the video. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell y'all is, so if you got your products by November the 30th and you ordered them online but did an in-store pickup, you got an additional 15% off. So those 8 products that I got from the first store, that was 4 for $20, and then I got an additional 15% off. So that was cool. And then, like I said, $1.50 for the Silk Elements Deep Conditioner, and then the other 3 Earth Supply products I got on clearance. Y'all, now you know, probably, I think it's, what, this week or next week, you know Sally Beauty gonna do their 50% off. 50% off for deep conditioners, 50% off for cleansers, 50% off for leave-ins, 50% off stylists. Y'all know they're gonna do that. Y'all know I don't have room to put these products on my shelves. Why did I even buy them? And you also know, unless somebody sponsor my video or send some money to my Cash App on my PayPal to promote me doing specific videos for these products, by the time I get to them, it's probably gonna be 2023. I couldn't pass it up though, y'all. I was trying. I was like, I told everybody, I told the jury that I was not buying hair products for Black Friday. And technically, I didn't buy none for Black Friday, but I count like November, like anywhere from November the 15th to like January 31st. I count all of that as Black Friday. Black Friday holiday shopping, because y'all know they do sale after sale after sale. They do the Black Friday sale. They do whatever it is, Saturday, whatever they call Sunday. Then you got Cyber Monday. Oh, Give Back Tuesday. Did anybody do anything for Give Back Tuesday? So they have Give Back Tuesday, where we supposed to be giving back and not buying. But then they extend the Cyber Monday sale for like the rest of the week. Then you got the end of November sales. Then you got all of the December sales. And you got the pre-Christmas sale, the Christmas sale, the post-Christmas sale. You got the New Year's Eve sale, New Year's, after the New Year's, welcome to the New Year. And to me, they kind of like dwindle off by the end of January, like the 3rd or 4th week in January. But then they have sales for Valentine's Day, which is in February. But y'all look, so that's why I count pretty much November to January. I count all of that as like Black Friday to me. So even though I technically did not buy anything on Black Friday, I did buy these products November 30th and December 1st. Y'all haven't helped me if I look on Sally Beauty for these 50% off sales. What if they just don't do it, y'all? What if they just don't do it, and then that'll help me just not to buy anything? So I started my new class this Monday. So today is Wednesday, and I started my new class on Monday. And y'all, the class are 8 weeks long, and I feel like for the whole 8 weeks, I just don't be recording no videos. I'm going to try to do better with that. I'm going to try to get something, but If you notice like a big clump of videos and then 2 months pass and you don't hardly see no videos, it's because I'm recording videos the week break that I get in between classes. And that's not always going to be the case. So I got 12 products for 37, 38, 39, 49. A little bit less, but let's just say 49. Yeah, so 12 products for $49. That's just a little bit over $4 each. So I think that that's good. I think that's good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this Sally Beauty mini haul. Y'all, I thought for sure that they had played me when I got to that third Sally Beauty and they didn't have them products listed. I didn't see them red stickers, y'all, and I was like, ah. I told that lady, I said, I drove all the way over here for nothing. But she helped me out, y'all. She corrected me. She did the little barcode scan and it came up clearance price. I was like, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video and my channel with everybody you know. Y'all help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Help me to activate my community page to be able to post polls and stuff like that, and just expand my channel. Share it, y'all. Until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed. Bye, y'all. Now I gotta find somewhere to put all of these products. Ugh.